So my baby just turned 6 months old and I decided to start with solids. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all of the solid food we gave to her and her reaction to all of them. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoyed this video. You might want to wait till the end of this video because she had a very funny reaction to one of the foods. So stay tuned. So the very first one is the avocado and the boiled egg we tried, and I decided to add her baby formula. So my baby takes breast milk and baby formula, and she's still going to keep having them until she turns 1. So the next one is a sweet potato. Peel, cut them in pieces, and then steam it for 15 minutes. So once you're done steaming, I would just have to blend. I also added the baby formula into this meal. Okay, food is ready. The next one is carrots and broccoli. So I'm also going to steam the carrots and broccoli together, and I'm just going to steam them for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'll blend. So this one is kind of different because this is me trying the baby led weaning. So I decided to make her scrambled eggs, and I decided to add broccoli, add her baby formula, and just watch what happens. I also decided to add strawberries and Greek yogurt. As you can see, she just didn't like it, and I'm just going to stick to the grinded ones or the purees. Do let me know what you think of this video and if you want me to share more of the solids we tried with her. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if this video was helpful. Thank you. Bye.